Hi everybody, welcome to that English pronunciation class. Well, in that lesson, we will cover the pronunciation of the ed at the end of a verb. First of all, speaking in the past, it's not an easy thing. First of all, we have to memorize about 200 irregular verbs. And as for the regular verbs, we have 3 different sounds. Let me give you some examples. If I tell you, last week, I decided to quit my job. Or yesterday, I watched TV. And last weekend, we played basketball. I gave you 3 examples in which we have 3 different sounds. The first one, I decided. Can you hear the sound of the ed? Decided. And next one, I watched TV. Watched. Can you hear the T at the end? And in the last example, I told you we played basketball. Played. So we have 3 different sounds. This is what I will explain to you in that lesson. First pronunciation of the ed is id. So when you have a D or a T, just before your ed, you will pronounce id. Let's look at the example. Need. The past will be needed. Want, wanted. And, ended. And wait, waited. Needed, wanted, ended, waited. Can you hear the id? So it depends on the final letter that you will have in your verb. D, T, D, T. Second sound that we'll have will be the ed sounds as in T. Let's have a look. So when it sounds like in T, we have these different sounds before the ed. First, P, K, F, double S, SH, CH, and C. Look at stop. What's the pronunciation of stop in the past? Stopped. Talk with a K, talked. Dress, double S, dressed. Wash, SH, washed. Let's repeat. Stopped, talked, dressed, and washed. We all have the sound of an T. Now the last sound is a D. So with the D, you don't have to memorize all of the letters of the alphabet. It will be all of the letters except the ones that we've seen in the 2 first cases. Good? So let's have some examples. Mail. We pronounce mailed. Answer. Answered. Love. Loved. Clean. Cleaned. So remember, this third case we pronounce as a D. We don't pronounce ed. Like sometimes I hear people saying mailed. It's not good. So we'll say mail, mailed. Don't pronounce the E. Good? We'll repeat mailed, answered, loved, and cleaned. They all sound as a D. That was it for the ed pronunciation, so hope you enjoyed it and you learned something. See you next time!